We're at a point in history where we have never seen this much investment and activity in human spaceflight ever. We're on a trajectory that puts humans in space permanently.
The next big thing in space isn't just getting there. It's learning how to stay. With the International Space Station due to be retired in 2030, we believe it is up to us to solve for this future. That means building dedicated space stations for private and government astronauts, expanding access to low Earth orbit, and pushing even further, building human habitats for Mars.
It is very important, not just for the future of humanity, but the future of Earth, that we do our best to preserve it. Part of that story is actually getting humans off of Earth in a meaningful, long-term way.
No one has ever built a commercial space station. That changes with HAVEN-1. America's next space station and the world's first commercial space station.
It's hard to imagine how different this is going to be from the experience right now at the International Space Station.
In 2026, a crew of 4 will visit HAVEN-1 for 2 weeks, launching and docking aboard the proven SpaceX Dragon spacecraft.
It's important for humanity to get out into the stars. I think this is good not only economically, but just good for the human spirit. Humans need a frontier and something to explore.
We will be pioneering in-space manufacturing, unlocking new industries only possible in microgravity. Our unique strength lies in our strategy, building fast and keeping costs low with an unwavering focus on human safety.
We know we can do it, and we're doing it in an unprecedented time, probably 5 times faster and 5 times lower cost than anyone else has built a space station module.
Right now, there are nearly 1,000 experts at VAST who are designing, building, and preparing for HAVEN-1's first crewed mission in 2026.
Doing something historic. This will be the first commercial space station. This is going to be a very big leap for humanity.
The timeline is definitely ambitious, but it should be ambitious. It must be ambitious.
There is no doubt in my mind that we are going to do this.
Join us in pioneering the next giant leap for humanity.